downloading a CSV file from Meraki and entering MAC addresses. In Meraki, first of all search for the headsets from the site using the site tag, and then make sure that you have the MAC Wi-Fi showing and click on CSV. This will download the CSV file. Open this up and then delete all the MAC addresses in column H. Once you've done this, individually go to each device and find their MAC Wi-Fi address and then enter this into the spreadsheet. Unfortunately, Meraki puts in a fake MAC address for Android devices after Android 10. Complete the spreadsheet and then save. You'll need to make sure that the file is saved as lumination-mdm without any numbers after it. If they have numbers, you'll need to rename it. I normally put it in a folder with the school name.